a nice few days of recovery. And while that recovery was happening, I managed to get a pre-workout, one that I've wanted for a while, and I haven't had any pre-workout in a while, so I've lost tolerance to the beta-alanine. Fuck. It just hit everything in my oh, now it's reaching my hands. Holy fuck. They're gonna have to drag my dead body out of that fucking gym today. So, last week, where had I been? Not this Monday, not the Monday of this week, but Monday of last week. I benched 300 for 3. It's probably gonna be 5 or 6 today, especially after that recovery. My body is now well rested and a little antsy to get to the gym. So it should be fucking fun. Holy fuck. Like I said, I've lost like all tolerance to beta-alanine. So now when it hits, it just opens up every single fucking little microscopic blood vessel that exists in my body. It's creating new ones too at the same time. I got the pre-workout just in time too, because next week is the final week of my... the hell? My car just like completely loosened up. Next week is week 10, the final week of my like 10-week I don't want to call it a program. I just want to do 10-week intervals of training and then like test out my maxes, my 40 and all that. And so next week is that week 10, and then at week 11, which it's not technically week 11, and I'm not counting it as a week of the 10-week period, but week 11 is when I'm gonna be testing out. Now that I got my pre-workout, get to get my body a little bit more used to it, and then jump right into fucking maxing. So I'm gonna make a couple of predictions for bench press. If I have a good workout today and then a good workout on Monday, I see a potential 365. Potential 365 on flat bench. It's gonna be difficult. I've wanted that one for a while, but said with the pre-workout and then a nice little last week of training, I can get it. I can freaking get it. Because whenever I hit 345, my numbers weren't as good as they are now. So, that means I've gotten at least a little bit stronger than 345. So, I'm right around the 350 range right now. But like I said, with today's workout and then come next week, Monday's workout, I should be able to get just enough training in to push that little bit to 365. And maybe a little bit of adrenaline can get me to 365. And then for squat, I'm gonna have to switch things up to test out, because normally I squat on Saturdays, but I need to do my 40 on that day because school's in session, so I won't be able to do a 40 while school's going on because they have things that go on outside on their tracks. So got to do the 40 or the max squat on Tuesday, which would be technically the day after heavy bench, maxing out bench. But then I'll be able to go do the 40 on Saturday. So, right around the corner. I'm pretty sure numbers are going to be crazy. Honestly, I think my 40 will be faster than at the end of my cut. Just because I haven't been sprint training as much, but the sprint training I have done, my numbers have been faster than they were before. Man, there are a lot of people here today. My numbers have been faster than they were before, so that makes me think I can beat my 40 time. And especially with the well, honestly, every time I've sprint trained with pre-workout, it hasn't really made that much of a difference. Definitely in the weight room though. Definitely does in the weight room. So let's go see how much of a difference it makes plus a couple days of recovery. Let's get some crazy numbers. All right, I'm officially tweaking, so I'm guessing this is what crackheads do.
Very sweet, dude. I need a sweet job. Yeah, now I hit my job. When you turn it down, I'm like, oh.
Oh yeah, baby. This is gonna be good. Oops. I feel like I'm about to pull my finger out of his socket. All right. On to some heavy ass bench, baby. All right. I'm gonna start off with 275. Honestly, 2 plates felt a little heavy, but I gotta get my chest warmed back up from the recovery. When you recover, body cools down a little bit, you know, kind of tightens everything up. Oh, we gotta get it all loose. We'll see if 300's in the books too. Ooh. It was a little heavy today. Feels good though. A little heavy, so I'm gonna take it a little easy. Not gonna go too ballistic. We can go up a little bit though. Have to up my carbs. I wasn't eating any crazy surplus recovery gains. rep short. 1 rep short on both weights. So 300 is not gonna happen today. Probably stick to 285 for now. Up to the 290. And mouthpiece is coming out. I got my pump fixed. All right, back over some back thing. Woo! Yeah, I'm definitely have to up my carbs. I think it's a little bit, it's making my numbers a little bit lower than I want. I'm gonna do some floss, but I was taking it out. So listen to the what is it? The trap rows. Do those next. It's a little heavy, but feels good. Superset. Drops. One more last exercise. We're gonna do the cable punches. The other side is taken. So no flies. We do the cable punches. Got a little bit of upper pec. My superset with pull-ups for like 1, maybe 2.
Actually, you can get yourself on the wall. It's better than I used to do. You enjoy that. I haven't never seen it so good. With progress, they try to look at my body. That's actually pretty cool. That's a big deal.
Oh, the other side just opened up. So I can do flies. But I'll do this set and cable punches.
guess last time, this would be good. So this would be anyways, that would be good. So, that's what my mindset. So I went to 2.5 I got to 5 on 45 here. So, we're not playing second.
Now a superset, some nice little pull-ups. Go real nicely. I'm gonna do one more. Actually, just the cable punches. Feels really good. So, one more of those and then we'll be done, Joe. Final set. Definitely need to get more calories in me, more carbs. I don't think I had enough to saturate the pre-workout. One final superset. We're done. Yeah. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I gotta see if I still remember how to pose. Yeah, definitely need to up the carbs. Coming back into working out again. Because I did not saturate that pre-workout enough. So it kind of like just went right through my system. But we got some good work in. I think I'm gonna have to get my arms bigger. You can always have bigger arms. Always. Ooh, damn, feels pretty good though. Having that beta-alanine and L-citrulline flowing through my veins makes everything look a little bit more plump. My lats are definitely pumped. And my lats are definitely pumped. A little lightheaded. That's fine though. Alright, I have to go vertical for Instagram. And then I'll meet you in the car. Alright. Well, the pre-workout definitely helped for what I needed it to do. Oof. Cold start. But I definitely need to up the calories because whenever I was doing my recovery, I wasn't in a crazy surplus. I was more around maintenance calories. So, calories are kind of lower, carbs are a little lower. So the pre-workout didn't have as much to latch onto. I also need more electrolytes. I need to make my electrolyte drink that I used to make. Fuck, if I had the electrolyte drink that I used to make, plus the pre-workout, it's game over. But for what I had today, it was really good. Ooh, my bench numbers were a little lower than I would have liked. Like I said, my calories are also a little lower. So once I up my calories back up to like 4,000, and my carbs go up, then we'll be doing some crazy numbers. So right now at this pace, oof, that 365 seems a little crazy, but it is. I mean, that's the whole thing about going for crazy PRs, is that they're going to be fucking crazy until you do them, and then it's like, wow, I did it. But I'll definitely be able to PR. I know I can PR. But how much? I don't know yet. And tomorrow we'll talk about squat PR. Today it was all upper body. Yeah, my lats definitely felt really fired up. They felt really pumped. I did reduce my sets. I think that was one of the reasons probably why I was getting more exhausted. And that's why I took a little bit of recovery break, because like every set I do, I take it to basically failure. And as a natty, it's a little hard to do. So I was doing 3 sets for every exercise, and I was doing 3 back exercises, plus the superset with the flies and then the pull-ups. So that's what, 9 sets of back to failure, plus the pull-ups, and then do that 2 times a week. That's like around 20 sets. 20 sets of activity for back. It's a little bit much. Don't really need that much, especially because I'm already doing heavy ass bench, so my body's gonna be even more fatigued on top of that. So we're probably gonna do around two sets for like the pull downs and the rows, but then like for the single arm rows, but then for the the trap ones, I think I'll probably do the 2 sets and then a superset for that one. And I think that should be plenty. I still felt really fatigued from what I did today. And I was doing more. That thing not secured down? Shit, my bad. And I was still feeling pretty fatigued today. So I think if I reduce it and have it around that much, I think we should be good to go. Not get as exhausted, but still be able to pump out crazy numbers and get stronger, better for the long run, the long haul. So, that was a good first day back. I'm gonna stop at the gas station. I'm gonna get a little apple juice, get a couple quick carbs to refuel myself, and then got a pretty packed day today. Should be fun though. Got an old like crosstown rival high school football game tonight. I'm not playing, 24, but it's my my alum. Is that what it's called for high school? Do you call it high school alum? 'Cause I know you do for college. Whatever. I'm gonna watch my alum and then get ready for some squats tomorrow. Hopefully hopefully my body got warmed back up to lifting today. So when I go back to squats tomorrow, I'm able to just do whatever I want. Put on some 4 fucking plates. No, we're not gonna do 4 plates tomorrow, but hopefully I can get to a point where I can just rep out 4 plates as like a regular set. That is gonna be fucking awesome. So, good first day. See you motherfucking strugglers tomorrow.